So how do we actually change the speed mode on our Ninebot electrical scooter here, as you can see? So to be able to change it, we need to firstly click on the power button here to turn it on here. So you can see it's currently in the echo mode here because it says E here for me. And if I want to be able to change it, the only thing that I need to do is to click 2 times on the power button here. So now it's in the driving mode here, and now it's in sports mode. And now it's in walking mode here. So the walking mode means that you cannot drive it, it's just you can just walk with it basically, if that makes sense. I believe that's what it means. I've never tried it myself. But the echo here, it's like the normal mode here, and you will, I think you go about 10 kilometers per hour or something like that, I think. And here is the driving mode, so this is also pretty standard. And the sports mode is the fastest one, just so you know. But basically this is exactly how to change different speed modes on your Ninebot electrical scooter.